An institution that excels cannot do so without the commitment of its staff and students. And to credit those who lead by example, the Tsogyal Education Society has constituted awards that acknowledge their efforts and achievements. This is the fourth year of these awards that we eagerly look forward to. So, what are we waiting for? Let us begin the award ceremony.
I request the chief guest for today, Shri Agnelo Dias, to do the honors. I request Principal Dr. Gaonkar to escort Shri Dias to the dais.
The first award of the day is for excellence in research and consultancy. And the award this year goes to Shri Krishna Arsul, Head of Department of Marathi. I invite his colleague Ms. Sarika Advilkar to say a few words about him.
Good morning, everybody. Today I am here to speak a few words about Professor Sri Krishna Arsul, the Best Teacher Award winner in the research category. Although presently I am assisting him in his department, I am glad to say he is my teacher too. Professor Arsul joined this institution in 1987. Presently, he is Associate Professor and the head of Marathi department. His credentials in the field of Marathi literature and research includes 11 edited books and has written 10 books. Institutions like Art and Culture Goa, UGC, Gomantak Marathi Academy, and Tsogyal Management have funded his work. His work has been published by many well-known publishers in Mumbai and rest of Maharashtra. Among his many books, I would like to mention a few like Ananda Parva, Patlacha Fad, Sangat Sobat, and Usha Panandikaranchi Pravas Varnane, Swarup आणि Chikitsa. It's noteworthy that Goa and Marathwada universities have prescribed his books in undergraduate and postgraduate courses. Professor Arsul is undoubtedly a multifaceted personality. Within a course of just 2 years, he has won 2 coveted awards instituted by this college. We congratulate him on his wonderful achievement in the field of research and wish him all the success in future. Thank you.
Again, I give you Shri Krishna Arsul.
The second award of the day is for outstanding performance in extracurricular activities related to students. And the award goes to Shri Andrew Barreto. I request Ms. Rajeshri Desai, Head of the Department of English, to say a few words to introduce him.
To all of you. On this August morning, I stand before you to introduce the august personality of Professor Andrew Barreto from English Department, who has been selected for giving the award for teacher who is the best in extracurricular activities. Professor Andrew Barreto joined this college 5 years back in the year 2008-9. In his student life itself, he showed his talent in organizing various extracurricular activities. As a student of this college, he organized the first ever newsletter prepared by the students. When at the university, he organized an intercollegiate event, Cynosure, which is still running. He also excelled in the academic field. He won the gold medal at the MA examination conducted by the Goa University. In the very first year, after joining here as a lecturer, Professor Andrew Barreto showed great enthusiasm in conducting various unique extracurricular activities. The best being Pegasus, which is an intercollegiate event for those students who have taken elective English. Professor Andrew Barreto conducted this activity with such enthusiasm that today it is no longer considered as a mere competition, but today it has attained the festivity of a celebration. And students from all over Goa come here to participate in this festival of literature. Let me also mention here that Andrew Barreto has not only worked and conducted various activities for the department, but also for the college. He has initiated a unique club, which is titled as Club Mindscape, which branches into various clubs, like for example, Club for Music, Club for Poetry, and Club for also films. I would like to mention here that all the activities of the department are conducted by Andrew Barreto with his initiative, beginning from the welcome program, Alpha, to the concluding program, Omega. It also includes creative writing workshop, bonding camp, and many other activities that are conducted by the department. I would like to mention here that he has motivated the students of mass communication to involve actually in the different techniques that are required in the field of mass communication. He has motivated the students to film a short film on their own. He has also motivated the students to interview all the important celebrities who have come here, like Vishwanathan Anand, Chetan Bhagat, Geet Sethi, Nandita Das, and Dr. Abhijit Barse, just to mention a few. Today, he is the master of the ceremony, and on various occasions, he has always been an excellent anchor. This brief synopsis of the activities that are conducted by Professor Andrew Barreto show that this dynamic young professor of English truly deserves this award that is given to the teacher who is the best in extracurricular activities. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. I give you Shri Andrew Barreto. We have to appreciate those that work behind the scenes of the college, maintaining its smooth functioning. With this in mind, the award for the best in general administration and account goes to Miss Doreen D'Souza. I request Head of Administration Section, Miss Greta Almeida, to introduce her.
Good morning, everybody. Let me begin by congratulating Mrs. Doreen D'Souza for receiving this award. I'm very happy that she has been chosen from the administrative section. Mrs. Doreen D'Souza has been working in the Department of Botany as library assistant for the last 16 years. Having worked with her very closely, I would like to highlight a few qualities about her. The most striking quality is her smiling face. She wins everybody's hearts by her beautiful smile. She maintains good rapport with the staff and students of not only her department, but also with all the other staff members. She's always ready to shoulder additional responsibilities without complaining. She takes the lead for organizing activities for the non-teaching staff like picnics and get-togethers. I wish her success and many more such awards. Thank you.
Again, I give you Miss Doreen D'Souza. The next award in this category is for outstanding performance as support staff, a tribute to those employees who remain the veritable cogs that run the institution. And the award this year goes to Shri Dayanand Vasta. I again invite Miss Greta Almeida to say a few words about him as well.
A very hearty congratulations to Mr. Dayanand Vasta for being selected for this award. Dayanand has put in 28 years of service as library attendant and has excellent service record. He is very dedicated to his work. He is very soft-spoken, calm and composed person and never buckles under the pressure of work. He is always helpful to the staff and students who approach him for their library-related work. I wish him all the best and success in life. Thank you.
I give you Mr. Dayanand Vasta. The following award is the Hira Wagh Award for the most deserving all-round student achiever. This award goes to that student who has achieved an all-round excellence in academics, extracurricular activities and sports. This year, the award goes to Miss Gauravi Kenny. I request Mr. Andrew Barreto to introduce her.
Thank you, Sachin. Ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed my privilege to speak a few words about Gauravi. I have taught Gauravi for the past 3 years and have seen her grow to the well-rounded individual she is today. So, what do I say about a girl who has fearlessly tried out everything that she has been put in front of her? Poet, writer, debater, quizzer, actor, teacher, tutor, the list seems endless. I still remember her in her first year of college. The enthusiasm, the energy, the spirit that she brought to all that she tried, that energy and spirit I still see in her. You need only see her bright smile for proof of that. I remember she wasn't afraid of making mistakes, and she wasn't afraid of laughing at herself either. She grabbed any and all opportunities, from taking part in the Sweden exchange program, to hosting departmental and college events, to tutoring students at the Writing Center at the Tiger Sports School. She was one of the main organizers of Pegasus 2011, the intercollegiate literary festival conducted by our department, and was part of the organizing team for so many more events over her 3 years in college. She participated in many intercollegiate events, winning laurels not only for the department, but also the college. Only recently did she lead by example by assisting the English team in winning Cynosure 2013, organized by Goa University. But mind you, amongst all this, she never let her grades drop, maintaining an average of above 75% over her 3 years. Remarkable. And the most endearing quality about her? Well, she knew when to take a back seat and help others succeed. During an all-Goa English play performance that we were participating in, when all the main leads and acting roles were taken, she said she was happy to just help in the background. And boy, did she help. She was somebody the team just couldn't do without. This selfless quality she has shown on so many other occasions, and it is something that I will always remember about Gauravi. I could go on, but I shall halt here. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm absolutely proud to present to you the most deserved winner of the Hira Wagh Award of 2012-2013, Miss Gauravi Keni.